Thank you for joining me today, Antri. My name is Andreas Levine, and I'm a lawyer here in Ontario, Canada. And I'm joined by the Antri Demacos, founder of LegalLine and LegalLine.ca, which is Canada's free public resource. Thank you for joining me, Antri. Tell me a little bit about LegalLine.
Thank you for having me. Well, a little. How little do you want to know? There's quite a bit to tell, but I'll tell it succinctly. LegalLine is a free free legal resource that has been around since the early 90s, 91 to be exact. And the website popped up around 93, 94, which is,
Early days.
dinosaur days. A lot of you might not have been born who are watching this. And we were pioneers back then. And the purpose of it was to give answers to the most frequently asked questions, to give answers, legal answers that people could understand and that the answers that people needed. And there were not any resources available. And since then, it has grown. And now we have about 2,500 answers under approximately 50 areas of law.
And I also see here that you have free legal documents,
Yes.
and the service is available in 107 languages.
Yes.
And it's totally free?
Yes.
You just log on to legalline.ca.
Yes.
Do you need to sign up?
You don't need to sign up. You don't need to be a member. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to know anybody. You just need to have an internet connection.
Wow. And what sort of topics or legal areas does this service cover?
It covers a variety of areas of law that are most commonly affecting our day-to-day lives.
Family law, criminal law, personal injury, landlord and tenant, private investigation,
Right? Real estate, employment.
business, corporate, tax law,
Yes.
small claims court,
Yes.
Highway Traffic Act. I see it all here.
And it also has links, and they're not just willy-nilly all the way through the website, but they're targeted. So each area of law, when you're reading an answer, when you're on an answer page, you can easily click to related links. And the related links are generally government links, agency links.
Professionals.
And within the answer, we have links to professionals and to other resources. Some of those government offices and professional resources will help you on a case-by-case individual basis, and there are often fees associated with that. And you will get the correct person that can help you with your specific topic. So if you are in immigration, you're going to be able to be connected to someone who knows immigration law. If you need a private investigator, you can be connected to our private investigation team.
You've been around for about 25 years now,
35.
35 years now. How many people have you helped? Is the site popular?
We've answered over 30 million questions to date. We answer we have approximately 20 million page views a year, and we help approximately 4 million people a year.
And how many questions do you think you answer a day?
About 40,000.
Wow.
I should say not 30 million questions answered, 30 million people helped with usually between 3 to 5 questions each person.
And have you been recognized by anybody for your great work?
Yes, we have been honored by various prestigious government agencies like the Law Society of Ontario, for example, and legal players like Thomson Reuters, their Lexpert division twice, and various they're on the website. I don't even remember. There's about 15 of them, 15 awards to date. So we're really pleased with that. But that wasn't our reason for doing what we do.
Your reason?
It was to help people, and that's why we also have it in 107 languages now. It was to help Canadians get the information they need, because it was very difficult, and it still is difficult, to get quality legal information. And people should be able to access that for free. Sure, if you want to spend a lot of money, you can always get information from somewhere. But I thought it was everyone's right to have access to basic information that affects their everyday life. And so this resource was an answer to that. Access to justice, they call it in the industry. If you've heard of that.
And is this resource available across the country or just in Toronto or in Ontario?
Well, it's available all over the world, really. You can access. We do get some people accessing it from other countries, a lot of times to enable them to do business with Canadians or immigrate. But it covers also, if this is what you're asking, federal laws and provincial laws as well. And it's available. Obviously, it's an internet resource, so it's available 24/7 from anywhere.
When I logged on, I noticed there was a little option near the top of each page where I could select my province or territory. So
Yes.
does the answer change if I select Quebec versus Ontario versus BC?
It can. If the information you're looking for is provincial, then yes. If it's federal, then, for example, tax laws apply equally. The same laws apply across the country. So no, there would not be a difference in terms of the answer. However, the resources will change for your local resources. And if it's a provincial law you're looking at, then the actual law can be very different. So it's important to select the correct province.
Great. Thanks for stopping by today.
Thanks for having me.